Welcome back, developers. Are you ready to take your web development skills to the next level? Today, we have an exciting topic for you: how to become a full-stack web developer. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to master both front-end and back-end development. Let's dive in. HTML and CSS. First and foremost, HTML and CSS are the foundation of web development. Master the art of creating well-structured and visually appealing web pages. Understand semantic markup, CSS frameworks, and responsive design principles. JavaScript. JavaScript is the powerhouse of modern web development. Dive deep into JavaScript and its frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue.js. This will enable you to build interactive user interfaces and dynamic web applications. Backend technologies. To handle the server side of web development, you'll need to learn backend technologies. Explore popular programming languages like Python, Java, or Node.js. Understand how to handle databases, work with servers, and build APIs. Databases and data management. Database knowledge is essential for any full-stack developer. Learn about relational databases like MySQL, PostgreSQL, or Oracle, as well as non-relational databases like MongoDB. Understand how to store, retrieve, and manipulate data efficiently. Server and deployment. Getting your web application live requires knowledge of server management and deployment. Familiarize yourself with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Learn about server configurations, security, and deployment. Now, let's delve into some additional skills that will give you an edge as a full-stack web developer. Version control. Host. Proficiency in version control systems like Git is essential for collaboration and project management. Learn how to create branches, merge code, and work with remote repositories. Platforms like GitHub is essential for collaboration and project management. Learn how to create branches, merge code, and work with remote repositories. Platforms like GitHub or GitLab are excellent for sharing your projects. API integration. Understanding how to work with APIs is crucial for full-stack developers. Learn how to consume and integrate third-party APIs, as well as building your own RESTful APIs. This skill enables seamless integration with external services and data sources. Testing and debugging. Writing high-quality code means being proficient in testing and debugging. Learn about different testing methodologies, automated testing frameworks, and efficient debugging techniques. Ensure your applications are robust and bug-free. Continuous learning. In the fast-paced world of web development, staying updated is key. Follow industry blogs, attend webinars, join developer communities, and experiment with new technologies. Embrace a growth mindset and never stop learning. Becoming a full-stack web developer opens up a world of opportunities. Master HTML, CSS, JavaScript, backend technologies, databases, and deployment processes. Enhance your skills with version control, API integration, testing, and a thirst for continuous learning. Remember, practice regularly, work on real-world projects, and build a strong portfolio. With determination and dedication, you can become an exceptional full-stack web developer.